image simply means character. So let us create mankind in our character, qualities, and nature, our higher level mental faculties, perception, will, reason, intuition, imagination, and memory. These higher level faculties are the qualities, the character of God. The nature of God is the fruit: love, peace, joy, faithfulness, kindness, goodness, patience, self-control. That is the nature. And then Genesis 1:26 goes on to say, let us create man in our image and likeness and let them have dominion. He said, let you watching right now, you have dominion.